Good morning, guys. Welcome to Viviana Sportfishing and welcome to beautiful Cabo San Lucas. You can see behind me, it's bright and early this morning. It's about 7 o'clock today on September 18th, 2021. It's going to be a magnificent day today here in paradise. Thank gosh we didn't have any weather at all this week. It was quite calm all week long. A little bit of wind out of the Pacific, but that's okay because it really cools things off and makes things a lot more comfortable. Other than that, we have no storms on the horizon and things are looking good. That means hopefully for the rest of the season it'll be calm and peaceful down here. No more hurricanes. So fishing this week, guys, was great. We had lots of mahi-mahi up on the Pacific side. We had blue marlin. We actually had tuna yesterday, so things have been great. Captain Roberto on my boat, the Second Chance, the other day, they caught a beautiful blue marlin. It was one of my clients, Brandon. It was his birthday, and that was his birthday present. They caught a beautiful 117-inch blue marlin. It was spectacular. You'll see all the pictures and all the videos of that. Yesterday, Captain Alberto Chivo went out and they caught a handful of tuna, a couple good ones, good size there. I'd say probably around 25-30 pounds or so. So definitely good eating, and you know me, great for sashimi, guys. Or for any of you that eat at the local restaurant here right next to my dock, Captain Tony's, you know they make a appetizer called HURACANs, which are just fabulous. For those of you, it's huracanes, but they are just fabulous. You want to eat 100 of them. And then the Dorado, guys. The Dorado has been all up on the Pacific side. Again, kind of lighthouse area beyond, right along the shoreline. You know, these guys have been fishing a few miles right offshore. Been some good size to some of these mahis out there, which is a great thing. And that's a good thing, guys. Fishing has been really, really nice. We're getting closer and closer to October. Things are definitely picking up. The schedule is booking up like crazy. So a lot of you are waiting till the last minute. That's okay. But things are great down here in Cabo. Everything is open up. It's business as usual right now, guys. So that's kind of it. You know, I hope you guys give me a call. You can always call me. I'm happy to answer any questions for you, whether it be on hotels or what to do in Cabo or things like that. You can always call me, 800-270-7804. My local cell phone, if you're already here, 624-100-9709. vivianasportfishing.com. Keep it up on the Facebook, guys. You guys are doing awesome. Thank you for watching. I really, really appreciate it. When you guys call me or when you get down here, you say, oh, we watch your videos every week. Thank you so much for that, guys. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button down there, and that even makes things a little bit better. Facebook, guys, you can always catch us on Facebook. Post some pictures on there. That's always great. We always like to keep people informed also on the Facebook page. So that'll be it for this week, guys. Stay safe. Stay healthy, and we hope to see you down here on the docks. Thanks, guys. Bye!
¡Sí, súbelo! ¡Así súbelo! Perfetto. Perfetto. Sì. Viene poi. Bravo. Buonanotte. Tutto. Ok?